back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be doing something to the BRZ that I would not normally do to the BRZ. And yes, we're back in the shop, and you guys were all commenting you wanted to see the shop get built. So I wasn't going to show you guys any of this, I was just going to leave it out. But today's video got so much comments saying you wanted to see the shop kind of get like renovated, is what you guys were calling it. Pretty much just going to put a bunch of little videos together and make one shop renovation video for you guys, because we're doing it in such little chunks that I don't think it's... If I include it in videos, you guys might miss some things you find interesting. So we're doing it in one big video. Today what we're doing is we're actually trying out, so you guys know I got a bunch of stuff from Wish, and somehow over the course of all these things that I've ordered from Wish for the Civic and whatever, I've ended up with like a credit at Wish. And normally I wouldn't buy parts I really want on there, but DNA Motoring is the brand that built the exhaust that didn't fit properly. But they also built a couple things that did fit properly, and the exhaust was good enough quality for me. So I figured they were kind of cool, they were kind of cheap, we may as well try them out while we have the credit. Well, at least some credit. So first thing we have is the front side marker lights. These are like black with yellow LEDs. These are about 54 bucks. And then we got a set of tail lights for the BRZ. These are like the Lamborghini style tail lights. They don't necessarily have a name. They just say DNA Motoring, FRS, BRZ, you know, lights. These are 340 bucks. And like, that's a lot to spend on Wish, but I feel like all this time I've showed you guys like the lower quality stuff on Wish, and I wanted to give something a chance, and just the other day I just said, screw it, we bought them for 340 bucks. We're gonna try and throw them on, see if they work. They're supposed to be sequential, they're supposed to be pretty cool. Do you wanna do the honors? These are packaged decently, which is promising. Most things you get on Wish are like a freaking mail sleeve, and they're just tumbling around in there. At least these are like nicely sealed. Do they look good?
They look like yours, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah, it's not designed with Buddy Club style.
What is it?
It's completely different. It's like exactly like OEM.
No, it's not. You're screwing with me. Oh, brother, those are actually pretty cool. I actually kind of like those a lot. But these are not like replicas. If you go look at the Buddy Clubs, they're a lot different.
It's like kind of the same design.
Yeah, they're the similar design, but they're not the same idea.
I'm guessing that's the switch for the sequential.
Yeah, that's the sequential shift thing right there, which is kind of cool. I mean, it's already got like,
so the LED.
Look right here, look right here. Inside the housing is already scratched. Do you see that?
Yeah, from the plastic.
Inside the plastic, the black piece on the inside is rubbing on the lens, and it's already scratched on the inside. So that's, like I said, I want to show you guys, you know, how it works.
Wait a second. Probably like fake. They probably just printed off their website.
I think they're LED.
What if they like ship the bag?
I don't know. Honestly, I couldn't tell you. This one's got a bad fitment too. Look at that.
Oh, that's even worse.
I know. It looks kind of tight though. Honestly,
you won't even notice till you get close, anyways.
Yeah. But what I don't understand is they come in this thing that says DNA Motoring, right? This box said it too, but it also had my address, so we just took it all off. But it comes in a box that says DNA Motoring.
It's on the side.
Oh, is it? Oh, right there. The box says DNA Motoring, but the instructions they send out are from Buddy Club. Like, they couldn't just make their own instructions. So that's the splicers. Tap-in connectors, and then you want to take that out. These look pretty tight, dude.
No, but these harnesses look so cheap.
I know, the harness looks really cheap, but I kind of like, so this has yellow LEDs. I'm pretty sure they're yellow. When I ordered it, it said yellow. So that's, it's gonna be, you know, kind of hidden and black, and oh, it's got a light on the front too. There it is. Also, best thing about ordering stuff on Wish, you never get instructions.
That's okay, that's why I'm here. Don't worry, somewhere deep down my uncle made these.
This is the first video in the new garage. So one of these is a daytime and one of these is a turn signal. So we're trying to tap into the signal wire for the switchback for the turn signal here. That way when this turn signal flashes, the separate light flashes on there, and then when it's just running, the running light lights up. So what we're doing is we're gonna shove the white wire up in through this hole, which will come out right there.
Hi.
Of course, I literally answer the phone and Emerson snakes it through. But you guys can see this wire comes right up through. You can't see it on the camera, but there's a hole that goes to right there.
Okay, we should cut this. Just give me pliers so I know that's like right through.
Just a squeeze for good luck. You look so much more serious on camera. I feel like people think you're so serious, but when I look at you, you don't look serious at all. But when I look at you through the camera, you're like, oh, aggressive.
Okay, just gonna turn it on, make sure.
Make sure it powers up.
Yeah.
Here, you wanna hold this?
Airplane ready to take off? Look at that one LED. It's just like buried inside there.
For those of you that are gonna comment and ask
It's
questions,
actually not that bright.
you basically just splice.
Don't splice. You take the tap connectors. Ground is ground. You know, black's ground. Yellow's usually, or red, is power. And on the actual harness, black is still gonna be ground, and whatever other color it is gonna be your power. Because there's only 2 wires.
Thank you for saving me from my calling it a splice.
Because you're colorblind, so that's why I'm doing it.
The truth hurts. So we were hoping for this little front LED part to be yellow, but it actually flashes like a bright white. And then this is yellow, so we came to the conclusion that this is supposed to be the daytime, like the bright white one, and then the yellow flashing ones should be the turn signals. And right now we have it wired. You want to just show them? We wired it backwards basically because we were under the impression this would be orange. So when you turn on your 4-ways now, this flashes bright white, which is actually illegal because that's what cops use. And so if you have a white flashing light like this, you'll get pulled over like right away because cops use white flashing lights. So we're gonna just switch this around. We're gonna make this always on, and then this yellow one flash for the side. And then Emerson found it in here. It's just really hard to get an angle to show you guys. The power wire for the turn signal bulb is the one that you want to tap into for the signal for the flashing of the light. So we swapped the wires, so now the wire for this runs to the power for where it was before. And then the turn signal one is running off this turn signal one. So that's the way I guess it should be working if this is gonna be clear. And we're just gonna, like, this looks pretty dull. Like, it doesn't look like it's shining that bright. So we're just gonna kill all the lights in here and see how bright it really is at night.
Also got these off Wish.
We did get them off Wish. That ticks pretty good. Like that
I feel like
is
just
not
because
bad
it's
for the
blacked
yellow.
out housing,
Yeah,
there's no reflectiveness.
Yeah, there's no reflectiveness in there, but it doesn't do bad. Like, you can still see it going pretty well. Like, that light is as bright as my sea lights. Like, at night it's gonna take over with the actual headlight, but yeah, they'll probably grow on me. You know what? The more I'm looking at it, the more it's not horrible. This side in now, and then we got them all just like put away and tucked up. And I don't know, to tell you the truth, I really like the black look. Like, I like it from right here. It's kind of dark. It's got the black housing with a clear lens, which is what I really like. I don't like when people just smoke the actual like lens. So this looks tight, but what I'm not a huge fan of yet is the fact that they stick out of the bumper like this. It's a little bit throwing me off, but Emerson loves it.
I like them.
I don't know. He likes them a lot. I guess it's just different. Obviously, people have different tastes, but for me, it's a little bit weird. But I guess for some of you guys, you may really like that, how it sticks out and kind of lights up. It's gonna grow on me because, I mean, we put them on and I'm gonna leave them on because they really do match the headlights like really, really well.
I'll pull it out in the dark and you can see it. And I'll turn on the lights. Just look. Just look. Yeah, turn off these.
Yeah, okay. It's just I guess a different taste than mine. But I mean, if you like it, I'm sure a lot of other people are gonna like it. You're good. Go straight back. Straight back. These are gonna be a lot more straightforward than the first ones were. Literally just pop these clips, pull a fender liner, drop the light, new light in, relay, and then we're good.
So, when are you gonna tell them where we're going in September?
Where are we going in September?
Alright,
Is there a car show that I wanted to go to forever? Every year there's this car show in September. Always wanted to go.
Where is it?
I don't know. It might be in a city by the ocean. Could be. Possibly. I don't know. Just a car show I've always wanted to attend.
It's a hint.
I didn't even put a screw back in there.
How about, we'll bring a few goodies.
Ooh.
If they find us, we'll give it away.
Well, they're gonna know because I'm gonna tell them before we go, but...
Yeah, but they have to find us.
Yeah. that sounds
Exactly.
good. We'll bring some free merch.
We'll bring...
I'm actually really brown.
We'll bring like 10 and the first 10 people
Hint.
to come...
We are going somewhere in the States.
If you haven't figured it out by now, you probably don't go to car shows. We're going, and it's tight. We wanted to go like every year, but I never end up going. It always flops, it always bails. Me and Emerson are going with all my boys from Ontario that if you're a real OG, you know them, because we used to do a bunch of stuff together. And if you guys find us there, I'll announce it closer to the time, but just to get you guys hyped, because we're hyped.
Maybe.
Oh!
Maybe we'll bring something.
I think the tabs in here are messed up. I don't know if they're all straight. It's because we bought it off Wish. I mean, that's, you know,
Flathead.
that's just what happens. Flathead right here. There we go. They're bent up too high. So you have to like push it up against it and then pop it down. To tell you the truth, I only bought these because they were on Wish and I wanted to just do some kind of video like this where I bought a real part, like something that's like $400 on Wish. Like no one spends that much money on Wish. I wanted to spend 400 bucks on Wish and see what you got. I looked at a bunch of pictures of these like Lambo style taillights, hated them. Truthfully, not a fan. On the car, they're sick. And Emerson was like, don't buy them, do not buy them. They look like crap, do not buy them. And what are your thoughts now? Say that for the people to hear it.
I like it.
It looks good, eh? It looks way better than I thought. That actually looks so tight. That is so cool. It's such like a, honestly on camera, it still looks funny.
Because the rest of your lights are also like blacked out, so it kind of has that theme.
Yeah. So both these lights are in.
Oh.
To tell you the truth, I kind of like it a lot. These lights came with a relay, and basically the relay is for right now when you turn on the turn signals. You want to turn them on and show these guys? So right now when you turn on the signal, it kind of does the Mustang thing and it moves over. And essentially what this relay will allow it to do is they all come on and then each one shuts off individually.
I think. We're not sure.
I think. We're not 100% sure. These are from Wish and we don't know.
I know it's supposed to prevent, like, it's supposed to be so they blink properly, but they're blinking properly, but we also don't know if that's what they're supposed to be.
Yeah, like it's not blinking wrong. This is supposed to make it blink right. And they're not blinking wrong. If anything, these look perfectly fine to me. Like, I think they're blinking perfectly fine. But we're gonna put this in anyways and see how they end up blinking.
I'm so sorry.
Was that just the wall?
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
It's all good.
My favorite thing is all you guys that follow me on Instagram, I always post things on Instagram as we do this, and right now I just added to my story a couple things about these taillights, and a lot of you guys are messaging me and you're like, oh, are those from Subi Speed? Are those from like FTD6 Speed Factory? Oh, you guys are gonna be so disappointed when you see this. I'm so sorry. You can call them?
It's right there. You have a
Wow.
light? Where's my phone? Here, look at this.
Wow. That is just ridiculous. Oh yeah, that box right there that's glowing.
Yep, you get that out.
Wow. That is just the stupidest place to go in and get something. You want me to fish my arm in there?
Sure.
Okay. This is the stupidest. There's literally no good way to get this out. Like I literally just had to grab it and it hurt like hell and I squeezed. And we've been at this for like 10 minutes. Because this mounts up on top, up under the friggin' steering column, and there's like this much room around it to pull it forwards. For any of you guys that are doing this, it goes forwards. That's how you get it out.
No, it goes backwards towards the back of the car.
Yeah, sorry, it goes towards the rear of the car.
Okay, take off that relay and put on the other one. Yeah, it's flickering.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. At the end it flickers, right?
Yeah.
It gets to the end and it does like a weird, flickery little weird thing.
Yeah, that's why you need the relay.
Okay, so this one should be sequential and this one should just be a solid brick. Yeah, so if you don't have the sequential on, it flashes like this. Just like a regular turn signal, and with the sequential on, it does like the Mustang kind of sequential look. Obviously, we're gonna leave the Mustang kind of sequential look. I think that looks way cooler. So like notice in the dark, you don't see this reflector part, so the lights look so thin.
Unless you're driving behind it.
Well, yeah, if you're driving behind it, you will, but... Damn, that looks so much thinner. I actually kind of, that looks pretty cool. It kind of does look like the Lamborghini lights. All right, give me some turn signal. Oh, brother! That's sick. That's honestly sick. It's so much better than the stock ones. So much better. So to tell you the truth, like for Wish, they're pretty good. Like I honestly think this is a good quality light. As far as how long they're gonna last, how long the LEDs will last, how long before they start to leak like every other light I've owned, I don't know, only time will tell, but I'll obviously keep you guys informed. But I mean, as of right now, quality check, it checks out. It looks really good. Like it looks like if I walk up to this car, I would honestly think these were like a name brand taillight. And they were $400, so I sure as hell hope that they reflect some kind of proper build quality. But that's all we're gonna have for you guys today. I hope you guys are stoked that we had our first video in the new shop. I know it's dark as hell over there. We gotta get some new lighting. Tomorrow I have the day off. I'm gonna completely paint this place, put the new lights up, finish everything we're working on back here, and then there will be a video for you guys when it's all said and done, catching up on everything we did. Thank you guys so much for watching. Always thank you to Emerson for helping out, because I'm colorblind and I can't wire. I will catch you guys in the next one. Gray, light gray, yellow. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay committed.